Cleaning chandeliers, chandelier cleaning, real crystal chandeliers or Swarovski crystal. I want to talk about this real quick because I'm about to sell a chandelier cleaning for 200 bucks. Okay, so I'll tell you a quick story. We're cleaning this house, the windows, like a couple weeks ago, and I look up and this lady has this chandelier that's like, wow, that must have cost like, what was that, like $5,000 for that? Beautiful. Something that you would see in a magazine. She says, how much to clean it? I go, we don't normally clean chandeliers like that. I'm talking like probably 250 individual crystals and different layers of crystals that all have to come apart like a puzzle and be cleaned. And I'm thinking I'm just go up on a ladder with a microfiber towel wet with solution and rub it and clean it. She goes, no. It all has to be taken apart and put back together. I was like, whoa. I was like, I don't know, 250 bucks? Because we do chandelier cleaning, but nothing complex. Just basic stuff. You go up, you clean it, 45 bucks in and out. And they're happy. This is different. And I think it's an opportunity if you're up for the challenge. I think you'd have to start small too. And I want to know in the comments below if you do this. So the lady says she pays $450 and 2 or 3 men will come for like 2 hours. And she says they set up thick foam padding all over her vestibule, like her foyer area of her house, with like blankets and drop cloths in case a crystal drops, because any crystal that drops is like $50 per crystal and they have to replace it, right? You're liable for that. She says a man stands up on a ladder and takes down every single piece like a puzzle and hands it to another man who hands it to another man who has a whole table set up with compartments like jewelry cleaner. And these guys are like white glove. They're sitting here cleaning it in these different solutions and then laying it back out. That's the customer calling me right now. I gotta make this quick. And then putting it all back together. I was like, whoa, if you mess up one step of the process or forget where that goes, kind of like a puzzle, you would be sitting there for having a panic attack for like 5 hours looking like an idiot on this customer's property. So I just gave a customer a quote right now. I got to go because they're calling me back for $200 to clean a chandelier. That's like maybe 20% of what I'm talking about. And I even jack the price up a bit because it would be our first time. I'm going to go to Harbor Freight and get those moving blankets and lay them all over the place and set up a ladder and do the research, and then we'll come back for a couple hours in a couple weeks and we'll do this chandelier and I'll report to you. Now I can't bring the camera like in the customer's house. I might be able to get some quick snaps of the actual chandelier and show you, but I'm curious to know in the comments below if you do chandelier cleaning and how does it work out for you, and what I'm talking about doesn't make sense, because to me it sounds like if I can sit there for, charge them 200 bucks, an hour and a half, 2 hours, we might be able to do the whole thing in an hour. I mean, it sounds like a good opportunity. I don't know. Let me know. That's Keith with the Window Cleaning Blueprint. Curious to know your thoughts. Peace.